Hello, this is Keith Owen. Welcome back. Today's tutorial is about, have you ever wondered how you could split this type of data into where you have one product per row? So in other words, sometimes you get data that each column has delimiters within them, and maybe the other column doesn't. And so the problem is, like I said, you want to have one product per row so you could count the products or build pivot tables and then analyze sales daily properly. So what you want to do in this particular case, you want to turn this data set into something that looks like this over here in the middle. So in other words, you want one product per row, okay, of data. And you could do this without formulas or helper columns or any type of code. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, pivot tables require one value, okay, per row, and most raw data comes stuffed into one cell. And then this instantly normalizes your data. So this works with CSVs, PDFs, ERP reports or exports, and survey data. Now, this button that we're going to explore in a second it will replace your transpose formula in Excel and text splits, and it avoids you from copying and pasting. Okay, so how do we do this? We solve this with Power Query. So let's go over to another worksheet. We're going to take the same data. It doesn't need to be converted into a table, but right now this is a table. As you can see up here, upper right, it has a table design, so we know that it's an Excel table. But what you do is go up to Data, from Table Range. It will automatically detect that table or range and open up the Power Query editor. And now you have this data here. So easy to do. You select the product column, the column that you want to split the data for. So you could have all these different products into one row associated with the proper order ID. And you go up to Transform. You want to split column, and you want to split it by delimiter. So right now our delimiter, as you can see, is a semicolon. So let's go over here, equals a semicolon. You want it to occur for each occurrence of the delimiter. So in this particular case, we have multiple semicolons in each row. Now you want to select Advanced Options, and you want to split this data, individual products, into rows. And click OK. And now you got one product per individual row associated with the proper order ID. So at this point, again, in many cases you want to rename this. Over here on the right, you want to basically type the right applied steps associated with whatever the step is. Then you go to Home, Close and Load. It'll automatically close and load to a table on a separate sheet. And then you have your proper data, okay, where now you could create a proper pivot table and do some analyzing this data. So hopefully this tutorial showed you a way how you could take text uh, 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 text fields that have multiple delimiters in there and separate that information out so you could easily properly analyze your data in Excel. Again, thank you for stopping by today. You have a great day. Remember to subscribe And also, please like and share this video because this helps it get out to more people. Thank you again. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.